Assalamu alaikum. In today's session of pre-GCSE 2 mathematics, we will start our exercise 9C and we will do some questions. In question number 1, it says determine if each of the following is the right angle triangle. And we also have to state that at which point there is a right angle. So first of all, we already know that in right angle triangle, the sum of the squares of two perpendicular sides or two shorter sides will be equivalent to the square of third side. So in A part, this is very easy problem. We can easily calculate the squares of two shorter sides, like the sum of the squares of two shorter sides should be equivalent to the square of third side. So I'm taking 16 square and 63 square. These are two shorter sides. And after taking square and adding them, we will get 4,225. Now we will take the square of the third longest side, that is AC. So 65 square should be equivalent to 4,225. It means that in A part, we are dealing with right angle triangle. Now we have to state that at which point there is a right angle. So let's make a triangle. In the triangle, we can see that AB is the side that is 16 centimeter and BC is the another shorter side that is 63 centimeter, and the longest side is AC, which is 65 centimeters. So we can make accordingly, like let's suppose this is AB and BC is definitely bigger than AB, so it can be a bit larger. And the third side that will join these 2 points will be AC. So it means the right angle is actually being made over here. So this was the side AB and this was the third point, like of BC, then we can say that the right angle is being made at B. So the right angle is at B. Similarly, you can easily calculate other parts and you can decide that whether these triangles are right angle triangles or not. Let's proceed to next question. In question number 2, we are given with a triangle PQR and some dimensions of the side lengths. We have to show that the triangle is not a right triangle. So if the triangle is not a right triangle, then the sum of the squares of two shorter sides will not be equivalent to the square of third side. Let's calculate it. So you can see I have taken the squares of PQ and QR and then added it to get 937 centimeter square. And similarly, the square of PR means 38 square will be equivalent to 900 centimeter square. These two are not equal, so we can write that the triangles are not right angle triangles. So these two are not equal, so we can say that PQR is not a right angle triangle. We can write this statement after that. Now let's proceed to next question. In the triangle STU, ST is 7/12 centimeter, DU is 5/6 centimeter, and SU is 1/3 centimeter. We have to decide that whether the triangle is right angle triangle or not. So definitely we will apply the same strategy, but here we are given with fractions. So first of all, we have to have same denominator to decide that which two dimensions are less than the third dimension. So to make the denominator same, so let's make the denominator same. So let's do the same denominators. So you need to times it with 2 to get 12 under 8. So this will stay same, 7/12, and this will become 10/12. And this should come up with 4/12. So look, 7/12 and 4/12 are two fractions which are less than 10/12, means 5/6. So we can add the squares of 7/12 and 4/12. We'll take the whole square of it and we will add them. Similarly, 4/12 square, and this should be equivalent to the square of third side, means 10/12. Also, we can write 5/6 over here, that was equivalent fraction of it. So if you get equal, then it means that these triangles are right angle triangle. Otherwise, we will mention that the triangle is not right angle triangle. So let's do this. On the left side, we will get 65/144 centimeter square. And on the right side, I will get 25/36 centimeter square. So you can see that these two are not equivalent. So means that this triangle is not right angle triangle. We can also cross these equal sign and we can mention here that the triangle is not a right angle triangle. So thank you. This is all for today's class.